My name is Alfreda Cason-Robinson, and I'm in the Culinary Arts program. Because I always loved cooking, and I wanted to further my career and do something that I love to do, so I chose culinary school, and this is the local one here. All the cooking, we did a chili competition. We won that. We had a lot of experiences cooking. It's like at the Ocala festival, and just basically serving a lot of people, and working with Wanda was a good experience too, so just got me further and further. I feel like it's preparing me for the real world, basically. It's been great. I get a better job. They help you find jobs, which is awesome, because it's just so much more that they have to learn that they really doesn't know. So I recommend them to come. They want to further their careers. Great teachers. They teach you a lot here. I would like to say thank you for your time and showing me so much more that I never knew was out there, and just taking time out for me. Good luck, and I hope they keep going and just don't give up and just settle for anything, because there's just so much more than that.